to reach. See that? Look how if I switch, how easy it is. Okay. And we do it over and over. Go, move. Turn, let's go. Stop it. Oh, fire. Okay. Alright, so now if it fires again, go ahead. You understand it now? Copy? And you extend, barely extend it, watch, boom. I grab it. If you keep it very close, oh, see, see how easy it is for me to push it? See the difference? Move it! Go! Bam! Push and keep the gun here, really important, because you know what I'm going to do after? I'm going to call it 3, bam! Without to assess which one is the most dangerous person before we draw the gun or before we draw a weapon or before we attack. Bam! You're very close to my body. You see how I lean? This is really important because if you counter me, go ahead, try to grab my gun. Bam! Push. And keep the gun here, really important, because you know what I'm going to do after? I'm going to call it 3, bam, and 1, without having anybody here. Okay, make sense? All right, so face each other. 2, 3. Somebody is going to stab me, go ahead. Some bump, right? I'll move him, draw. I'm gonna shoot him. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. So now we have 3 people around me, and this is kind of a different situation. I'm gonna call it attack. The guy is gonna attack. Boom. I'm gonna defend myself. Boom. Draw. Shoot the guy because he has the weapon. Then draw the gun. Bam, bam. Draw the gun. Bam, bam. And you see how I hold the gun? Everything is ready. I didn't shoot myself. Okay? So this is kind of a higher level, but we're going to start to work on this. And when we do concealed, I'll show you. Append it. There it is. This is So this is what I want to explain to you why we're doing this, okay? So at least it's easier for you to... I got 3 guys around me. Now I'm deciding which one is the most dangerous. If he has a knife, he's ready to attack me. Yes, these guys are just waiting, they're just watching, and maybe this is a team leader. Now it depends. It doesn't mean because the guy is in front of you that he's a team leader. Maybe the guy over there is the most dangerous guy. So I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna say, okay, 2. So 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna call it 1, 3, and 2. So 1, 3, and 2, which means now when I draw, it's like bam, bam, bam. Does that make sense? To build that confidence. So when I say 2, 3, 1, it's really important that I understand it's confusing. I do that on purpose. You draw the gun, but watch. When I draw, I want to make sure you see everything is close. I'm ready to grab my gun. I just So this one is gonna bam bam. I got one. You see how I don't do this. This is bad. It's actually bad. You very close to my body. You see how I lean? This is really important because if you come towards me, go ahead, try to grab my gun. Bam! Even if you try to keep on, you see right now I'm in a fight.